Even though the rumor mill has revealed plenty of information on the specs and features of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2's flagship phone, none of the leaked photos have managed to reveal the actual design of the phone. A conceptual product design of the Mi Mix 2 has appeared on YouTube. It shows the Mi Mix 2's concept phone with a very impressive design that will even put the upcoming Vivo Apex concept phone to shame. The first generation Xiaomi Mi Mix and its successor Mi Mix 2 are both equipped with tree bezel-less design. In other words, expect for a slightly bezel at the bottom. The other three bezels surrounding the display are quite slim. The concept renders of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 show that it features thinner bezels on all the four sides of the display. The Vivo Apex concept phone is rumored to feature a screen-to-body ratio of 98%. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2's concept model suggests that its screen-to-body ratio could be very close to 100%. The concept model does not reveal the exact placement of the selfie camera. Interestingly, Xiaomi had applied for a patent for hidden front camera in early 2015. Hence, it could be featuring a flip-up camera like the forthcoming Vivo Apex concept phone. The other sensors could be embedded under the screen. The backside of the phone features a vertically stacked dual-camera setup at the top left corner. There is dual-tone LED flash placed between the two camera sensors. Lastly, the handset seems to be sporting a ceramic chassis. The above renders are not leaked photos or press renders of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 that will be launching on March 27. They have been created by imagination, probably on the basis of rumors surrounding the Mi Mix 2. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give a thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe.